Hello, this is Jeff Flowers with Gill Studios, and I just want to quickly take you through our Embellished Label sample pack. So this is a new process that we've got here at Gill Studios, allowing us to do digital embellishments on roll labels. And just want to show you some things in here because I think they're pretty cool. So starting off, you'll see a card. We've got 3 different Embellished Label samples. It'll tell you what each of these are right here on the card, but it'll start out with the raised metallic foil over a print. The next one is going to be a lamination with a raised metallic foil. So with the lamination, you can do gloss or matte. The matte will definitely give you the most contrast with the foil, so that would be a good option to start with. And then the last option is a lamination with a raised spot clear. So again, the matte lamination is going to give you the best contrast with the clear, but don't know how well you can see those, but all the information about how each of those is done, and then all the details about the items is on the back, and then a link to our website so you can check that out. We're also able to do embellished foil labels. So this is actually a foil label, a gold foil label. We're printing a digital clear and then doing a transfer of a gold foil. So we're doing that with both gold and silver, and you can see there's quite a bit of detail in there that we can do with the digital embellishing. They look really nice, have a nice vibrancy and a good contrast between the two, what we'd call the bright foil and then the satin paper background. So on the back side of this, you're gonna have all the information about the items, the item numbers, and again, the QR code that you can scan to go and check those out. Now we also have some samples in here in the pack, and I'll just kind of go through a few of these here. So the first one, this is going to be a white paper digitally printed with a raised metallic foil. So it's got a gold foil on it over the top of the print. So these are great for packaging. They're great for products to place directly on products. There's a lot of different options for these. Then I think they look great. So here's another one. This is white paper digitally printed. This one's got the matte lamination and then the gold foil on it. So hopefully you can see that contrast. The matte really knocks down the glare of the material, because the white paper or the bop, we have that in white and clear bop as well, can be kind of glossy. So when you do the matte lamination on there, it can really help so that you can see that foil or that spot clear. So this is a bop one. This is white bop digitally printed with the matte lamination and then the foil. The foil options we have available right now are gold and silver foil for those, but here's one. So this is just a digitally printed on white paper, and then it's got the raised metallic foil. So you can see the little bagel outlines and the bagel seeds. Just a lot of cool detail that you can do with those. Here's a sample. So this is white paper digitally printed. It's got the matte lamination, and then it's got the raised spot clear. So this would be just on the lenses of the glasses of the little frog. You can see the raised spot clear. We can do that, tiny detail, very specific spots in your print, so you can really highlight small details in your logos or different things like that. We do have, in the sample kit, you'll just have, so here's a clear bop digitally printed, and then also just a white bop digitally printed. So you can just see the great vibrant imprints on these with the digital imprints. Here's a nice one with a matte lamination as well. So this is white bop. It's got the matte lamination and then the gold foil over the top of it. So that one looks nice, just a great contrast with the matte. Again, packaging, products, documents, I mean, any kind of uses for labels. It just really adds a nice upgraded look. So here's another one. So this is white paper digitally printed with the matte lamination and then the gold foil. So like a beer label, you can see the super fine detail in the wheat. And then up here, I think that's the hops. I assume that's what that is. But if you were not at Orlando and you didn't get one of these kits, but you will be in Vegas, we'll have these kits with us at the PPI Expo show next week, booth 3937, stop on by. Or if you want to reach out to us via customer service or through the website, and you can request an embellished sample kit, and we'll send that out to you as well. Thanks so much for your time, and hope we see you out there. Have a good day.